Hello everyone! It's Monday and it was really an awesome day with Mr. Joseph Font and his wife Remy Font, and we learn a lot every Monday, guys. If you're just watching how the changes goes on internet, and if you're not still on e-commerce, guys, you have to really think about it. Look around you, listen, look on the videos that we usually present on how the development between Amazon, Walmart, and if you're not still involved on e-commerce, I would really suggest that you find a good one, because in the future, this is a real thing. We have to do it professionally, and this is not only for those who knows a lot of things. I myself, I just learned those kind of terminologies for e-commerce here when I started to do Shopping Sherlock. So it's a really no-brainer if you will not join us and really find time to learn, to get out on your rat race for your 40-40-40 cycle. Instead, you go on our cycle. It's so simple. All you have to do is to make your list. First, of course, you have to find the company that you can trust to. Then you make your list, invite people, present it, and follow up, and make a list again. Those are our cycles. So there's no big deal on really earning residual income. All we really have to do is to really have focus, to learn, be consistent, be committed, do the hard work. Because if this is easy, I'm sure everybody will jump on the wagon. But this one, if you will not open your heart and your mind on some changes going on, if you experience to be laid off, if you experience to really have a lot of bills to pay, and you have a lot of stress on how to pay it, this is a real thing. I will invite everybody to join us next time, to really find time, communicate. For those people who don't know me, I'm Leo Villachuga. I'm a nurse. I'm a single mom, and it's really amazing to really be involved in this kind of business, because you're widening your opportunity. You're opening up doors for opportunity that will really change your life. This is it's not about not knowing, because right now our technology is really amazing. We have a lot of things going on. If you have phone, make the most out of your phone. Make the most of, if that is a high-end cellular phone, or make the most of it. Earn from it. I earn, I save, and I am very happy that I am debt-free. And I'm also sharing this to you because I know there are people there who are struggling and who doesn't have time for their family. This is amazing. All you have to do is to learn. So if you have any interest at all, just email me or PM me on all communication data that I have online, or YouTube or Facebook. I'm all around, and I am very willing to help each and every one of you to really change lives, because you don't need to be PhD or whatsoever connected to your name. All you need is to really focus on finding how to do your goals. Okay, so I hope you get an interest on this one. Thank you so much, and I will catch you some other time.